Today I am delivering the two laws. One law is nothing but a distributive law in predicate logic or logical mathematics in CS 403. Another law is commutative law. First, see the distributive law. What is the distributive law? One law in distributive, P or Q and R. P or Q and R is equivalence to P or Q and P or R. This is the one of the distributive law. Left hand side, P or Q and R is equivalence to P or Q and P or R. Second law of distributive is P and Q or R is equivalence to P and Q or P and R. P and R. And now come to the next part of the law, how to prove this law of distributive of 1 and 2. Now we are proving these two laws with the help of truth table. First, before construct the truth table, now first of all prepare the left hand side. First of all prepare the left hand side, and before start the column of the truth table, to count how many different predicates in this left hand side. P is the one predicate, Q and R. It means there are the three different variables are given in this law. P, Q, R. And this P, Q, R, how many number of possibilities of these three variables in the term of predicate, how many times these three things are true and how many times these three things are false. Because in the logical mathematics, the values of these mathematics based on true and false is the one aspect. Another aspects of these variables P and Q are how many times 0 and 1. Either 0 in this term predicate is called false and 1 is called true. The one thing you must be remember. In the binary, they are called as 0 and 1 in predicate in mathematical logic, and the logical mathematics is called true or false. Now come to the P, Q, R, P, Q, R. These are the three variables are given in the law, distributive law. Up now to count how many times P is true and how many times Q is false. The formula is 2 to the power 3 minus 1 is 7. Here to write down this 7, 6, 5 in descending order. Write down the number in descending order. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and the last one is 0. These are the possibilities of these three variables in the term of true and false, 0 to 7. In this mathematical logic, to write down these predicates is true and false, in the term of descending order, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7 means these all our values are 1, 1, and we are representing true, true, true. 6, 1 is true, true, false. 1, 1. This position is 4, this position is 2, this position is 1. This is 7, 4, 2, 1. 4 2 months we have to apply the 7 value as per the weight of the position of the variables. P is the weight 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 2 means 4, 2, 1. And it means if you add this value, this number is 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 2 plus 0, 6. 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, this value is false. 4, this remaining 2 value is 0. 3, false, true, true. False, true, false. False, false, true. False, false, false. This is called the possibilities of these 3 variables in the term of true and false. Now first of all prepare the left hand side. First of all prepare the left hand side. In this law left hand side is P and Q or R. This is the left hand side. Now the first operation to apply in this truth table of the parenthesis, because we are applying the BODMAS rule, Q or R. Q or R. Q or R, T and T is T, T and F. Anyone is T, 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 F, T, 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 F. Now there are the 2 position is F, because this is the F, P value is F and Q value is R. The final result is F. Remainings are true. Remainings are. Now to add P and Q or R. P and Q or R. Now to multiply, this one is P. T into T is T. T into T is T. T into T is T. T into F. Anyone is 0. 1 into multiply with 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. This is the final left hand side. This is called left hand side. Now to prepare the right hand side. The first operation of the right hand side, P and Q. P and Q. P and Q. P and Q. P, P, F, 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 F. Now next is P and R. P and R. P and R. This one is the P and this one is the R. To multiply, T and T is T. T and F is nothing but F. T and T, T. T and F, F. T, F and T, F. F, F, F. Now to add these 2 value of RHS side, RHS, P and Q or P and R. This is the RHS side, must be equal to LHS. इसकी वैल्यू जो आनी चाहिए वो LHS के बराबर आनी चाहिए. Now to add T and T, 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 F, 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 F. Now to check, left hand side is equal to right hand side. This one is T, this one is T. This one is T in left hand side. Now come to the right hand side. This is also T. Now come to the left hand side. This is T. This is also T. Now come to the left hand side. False, 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 false. This one is also false, 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 false. Now again repeat how to construct the truth table of distributive law. First of all, the distributive first law, P and Q, P and Q, in the parenthesis Q or R. First of all, prepare this part in left hand side. How to prepare? Count number of preposition. How many number of preposition? P, Q, R, and write down this true and false of the combination of P and Q, P, Q, R. With the help of formula 2 to the power 3. 3 is representing this term. 1, 2, 3. How many number of term? 3 term. Now on the power of 3, 2 to the power 3 minus 1. Total value is 7. The result is 7. Now to write down in descending order. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. After writing this order, to prepare the truth table, how to prepare the truth table? This is the value of 7. Now the P position is 4, Q position is 2, and the position of R is 1. On the basis of this position, to write down T, T is the value of 1. 1 plus 1, and 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1, we are representing 7, all values are T. Now we are representing 6. Now we are representing 6. 4 plus 2, 6, and this value is 0. So 4 plus 2 plus 0, 6, 5. 4 plus 0 plus 1, 5. 4. So at the position of 4 is T, remaining is 0 and 0. Now come to the another part. 3. Now we are representing 3. हम लोग 3 represent करने जा रहे हैं. At the position of 4 is 0. Now we are representing 0 is nothing but F. At the position of 2, we are representing 1 and 1, 3. Now we are representing 2. At the position of 2 is 1, remainings are 0. And now we are representing 1. At this position is 1, remainings are 0. 0, all are 0. After constructing this part, now to come to the left hand side. On the left hand side, this we are prepared this first. We are preparing this term is first. इसको क्यों पहले करेंगे? क्योंकि ये ब्रैकेट में दिया हुआ है. बॉड मास में बोलता है the first operation of the mathematics we are applying bracket parenthesis because the highest precedence. तो ब्रैकेट वाले पार्ट को पहले करते हैं. तो ब्रैकेट वाले पार्ट को जब हम पहले कर रहे हैं तो उस पार्ट में है क्या? P और Q. P प्लस R. इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं Q प्लस R. सॉरी Q प्लस R. Q यहाँ पे है, R यहाँ पे. T or T. If the both predicates are true, the output is true in OR operation. And now the next operation, anyone is true. In OR operation, we have got the true value. True plus false, true plus F, 1 plus 0, 1. T or F is nothing but T. F and T is nothing but T. F and F, 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0. T plus T is T. Tf is T. Ft is T. Ff is F. After that, now to AND with Q. The same operation with AND with Q. यानी इस ऑपरेशन के साथ क्या कर रहे हैं हम? Q का मल्टीप्लाई करें, लॉजिकल मल्टीप्लिकेशन कहते हैं इसको. T and T, T, T and T, T, T and T, T, T and F, F. Here the remaining alls are F. F, 3 position is F, 2 position is F, 1 F, 0 is F. Anyone is F, either Q or R is T. Then the final value is F. Final value is F. Now we have to prepare left hand side. After preparing the left hand side, now comes to the right hand side. On the right hand side, to see how many number of terms. First term is P or Q. Now we have to prepare P or Q. P and Q, and then after prepare P and R. So P and Q. On P and Q, what is the value of P? The value of P is T, and the value of Q is T. Here we are applying the logical multiplication. In the logical multiplication, both are T, the final result is T. Here again both are T, the final result is T. Here T and F, we have got the final value is F, because 1 multiplied with 0 is nothing but 0. On this basis we have to prepare this part. Now come to the another part of this right hand side, P and R. On the same basis we have to prepare P and R. And now these two is add, logical addition. After adding these two, we have got this result. And after final, to compare left hand side to the right hand side. If the value of the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, hence prove your law. The value of left hand side is must be equal to the right hand side. Each and every value is compared individually. हर एक वैल्यू को इंडिविजुअली कंपेयर करेंगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से राइट हैंड साइड को. अगर दोनों का मान लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड का इक्वल आता है, इट मीन्स योर ट्रूथ टेबल इज करेक्ट एंड हेंस प्रूव योर law. This law is called distributive law. There are the two law in distributive. Here we are proving one law. Now comes in the next class, we will be see the next distributive law. You must be remember the next distributive law. P or Q and R is equivalence to P or Q and P or R. But one thing you must be remember, this distributive law is only valid in this mathematical logic, but not valid in general mathematics, because the sign of addition is distributed of P, Q and R. ठीक है, एक बात याद रखिएगा, ये जनरल मैथमेटिक्स में ये लॉ अप्लीकेबल नहीं है, मगर मैथमेटिकल लॉजिक में ये लॉ अप्लीकेबल है. बट व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड why not valid in general mathematics and why valid in this mathematics? Because the general mathematics is based on the value 0 to 9, but the logical mathematics is only valid as per the computer definition. Computer is only know 0 and 1, and here we are studying the mathematics 0 and 1. On the basis of 0 and 1, this second law of distributive law is only valid in this discrete or digital mathematics, or either in the subject neural network, where here we are studying the mathematical logic. Now in the next class we will be discuss this part. Thank you very much.